Good morning, Tiger Connections. So we're going to talk about distance learning and do a couple of things to get ready for it. So it came out Friday night that we will be starting full distance learning on Tuesday, December 1st. So here is our schedule for the rest of this trimester. No, this week, November 16th through 20th, is going to be a normal week, and it's the end of first trimester. Then next week, November 23rd through 27th, there is no school. Monday and Tuesday are reorganizing days, planning days for teachers, and then Thanksgiving break. So then let's take a look at after that. So Monday, November 30th, there's no school. It's a staff development day. But then starting on December 1st, on Tuesday, we will start second trimester at full distance learning. As you can see, Tuesday and Wednesday will be cohort 1 in school and cohort 2 distance learning, and flip-flop for December 3rd and 4th. So to help you kind of get ready, we put together something that we want you to fill out today in classes. In Schoology, in this assignment, you're going to download the My At Home Learning Schedule, and you are going to fill it out. So we will start with cohort 1. You're going to put cohort 1 up there. We are going to have a 9 o'clock in the morning a.m. Google Meet on Monday and Tuesday. You will be with Miss Schwartz on Wednesday and Thursday. Well, let me rephrase that. For next week, it's going to be Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, Friday. But in a normal week, it'll be the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Google Meet in the morning, 9 o'clock. I will put out a code out there every morning. It'll probably be the same code that we will do. Haven't figured that out yet, but we'll get it figured out. Then what you're going to do as you go through the day today, you are going to fill out the rest of these blanks so that you know what time you're going to do a Google Meet and code for each one of your classes. Then in the afternoon, our afternoon TC, all we're going to have is a check-in, just like a Google form like we normally do on a Friday morning. So you just have to do the check-in on there. Down below, we have where you find your work for each class. So you're going to have history and English, language arts, you're going to have math, science, and then you have 2 new specialists that you're going to fill it out for. So you're going to fill out these for each one of your classes so you know where to find everything. By the end of the day, you should have this whole sheet filled out so that you know what you will be doing every day that you are home for full distance learning. Lots of teachers will have things to say, so make sure you pay attention and write down whatever you need to. Hopefully, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.